Guys, welcome to my channel with another new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys here. See, there is a many colorful of toys, and I have a 5 monster truck. Wow, this is a very nice colorful monster truck. So friends, I will introduce my all of toys with you and collect in this truck. And next I will go from here. So wasting any more time, let's go for introduce. Wow, at first, see, wow, at first there is a DS3 Tarzan car. Wow, this is very nice Tarzan car. This color is pink color, red color, yellow color, and blue color, and paste color also. This is very nice. See, this body color is fully yellow, and this upper side glasses are blue color. So friends, I collect this nice car in my monster truck here. This collected. And next one is thumb drum. Wow, this is a thumb drum. See, this is nice color combination thumb drum. Wow, this is very nice. See, this thumb drum, and this thumb color is pink color, and this drum color is white color. So this is white and pink color combination. So friends, I collect this in my monster truck. And next one is the ambulance. Wow, this is a nice colorful ambulance. This is pink color, white color, and paste color combination. This is very nice color combination. Wow, this song is 944. So friends, I collect this in my monster truck. And next one. Wow, friends, see. And next one is a cartoony autobus. This one is cartoony autobus. Wow, this is very nice. See, this glasses color is white, and this body color is orange color. Wow, this wheel is fully black color combination. See, there is a driver and passenger. Wow, this is very nice. So friends, I collect this in my monster truck. And next one. Wow, friends, see, there is a Rana car. Wow, there is a big size Rana car. See this color? This color is pink color, paste color, and black color also. Wow, this is very nice. See this wheel? This wheel is very big size black color wheel. So friends, I collect this in my monster truck. And next one. Wow, there is a racing car. See, there is a racing car, B3 racing car. Wow, this is very nice color combination. Their glasses are white, and this body color is fully yellow color combination. And this wheel is black. There is red and yellow color combination. So friends, I collect this racing car in my monster truck. And next one is the army tanker. See this tanker? This is cartoony army tanker. Wow, there is a true soldier. Oh, there is a true soldier. See this tank? This tank color is green color and yellow color combination. And this wheel is fully black color combination. So friends, I collect this in my truck. And next one. Wow, there is a big size under construction vehicle. See, there is a under construction vehicle. This vehicle's name is mixer truck. Wow, this is mixer truck. This is very big size mixer truck. See this color? This color is white and yellow color combination. And this wheel, see this wheel? This is six wheeler. This wheel is black and white color combination. Okay, I collect this in my truck. Wow, this is very nice. And next one is hand car. See, this is hand car. Wow, this is very nice color combination hand car. This is red color, white color, paste color and pink color combination also. See this? This is very nice. Wow, that is a sticker. See, that is a sticker. Wow. So I collect this hand car in my monster truck here. And next one and last one is a auto rickshaw. See this? This is auto rickshaw. Wow, this is very nice color combination auto rickshaw. This upper side is pink color and this all body color is pink and white color combination. This is very nice. And this lower portion is white color. And this wheel is black and silver color combination. Wow, this is very nice. So I collect this in my monster truck here. So friends, my all of trucks are loaded with many colorful of toys. So wasting any more time, let's go from here. Wow, this is falling here. So I collect this here.